Thank you for your choice of our VELTOP Recombent 3 model. This model is composed of the following parts. A 3-part windscreen, the upper part gliding in the low part, plus one removable central part. A fixation of plates type 1, 2 or 3 with a double pair of brackets. One rear adaptation to be fixed on the luggage carrier or on the seat tube armature. One storage bag containing the canopy, side panels and their poles. One Allen key and one instruction of mounting. This video presentation concerns the VELTOP Recombent 3 Fixation 1 model with fixation on the front tube support of derrière and at the backside on the luggage carrier. To begin with, install the plates on the tube support of derrière or on the boom for the fixations 2 or 3. Put the transparent protection around the tube support of derrière and unscrew slightly the 2 nuts which link the plates. Then put in position the 2 plates as low as possible. The notch on one of the 2 plates must be situated on the chain side. Tighten the 2 nuts above, below, with a flat key 10 not supplied and watch to center the 2 plates and to fix them solidly. Then fix a double pair of brackets on the welded tubes and replace the 2 removable half shelves with the inscription 23.8 with the Allen key. Put the horizontal tube armature on the low part of the windscreen in the 2 brackets and replace the removable pieces. Then tighten slightly. Center and incline the windscreen to approximately 48 degrees. Tighten it slightly, then replace the upper part of the windscreen. Unscrew 2 out of 3 screws of the adaptation piece, leave one beside, and set the upper part on top of the luggage carrier. The low part is positioned under it. Then tighten the 3 screws. This adaptation should normally be fixed on the end of the luggage carrier in order not to hinder to install luggage on the side or on the top. For the fixation of the adaptation on the seat armature, fixation 3, set the fixing pieces onto the high tube armature on the seat horizontally. The plate with the bag should be positioned parallel with the one of the luggage carrier adaptation and as low as possible. Then tighten the 2 nuts. Put in position the bag in such a way that it will be in a distance of 44 inches to the pole's entry of the windscreen level. Insert first the 2 poles into the 2 sheets of the canopy before inserting sideways the 2 poles into the black pieces on top of the windscreen before fixing them on the other end towards the back side. At the front, the canopy is lining on the velcros on top of the windscreen and in the back on those of the back. Then closing of the 2 zips under the canopy. Push the pole in 3 parts into the big sheeting of the side panel under the velcro. Do the same with the second one. In the front, insert the metallic end of the pole into the tube fixed on the deflector of the windscreen. Then connect the 2 side panels on each side of the canopy with a zip, from back to front. In order to respond to the different sizes of the recumbent users as well as the different lengths or models of the trikes, it is possible to modify the adjustments. To check if the adjustments are correct, the canopy should be at an approximative distance of 2 inches from the rider's head. In order to obtain it, in the front, incline the brackets to vary the height of the windscreen. In the back, adjust the height of the luggage carry adaptation and the horizontal position of the canopy. After several weeks of use, retighten all screws of the windscreen structure with the joint Allen key. In order to get into the seat of the recumbent easily, the windscreen can be turned round towards the front together with the canopy. So, take out the poles of their fixation toward the back, then push up the quick releases on the front brackets. The canopy can be equally half removed towards the back to offer a better side view above. The side panels can be removed too and stored in the back. By bad weather or reduced visibility, frost, snow, drizzle, the middle windscreen can be pushed down to obtain a side window of 4 inches or totally removed to gain a side view of 12 inches. During the summer, the middle windscreen can be removed and stored in the back behind, allowing the air to come in and free the visibility in keeping the canopy totally or half spread out and to stay protected against the sun. Clean regularly the windscreen with a humid cotton pad to avoid scratching it, and use a small dose of a soft cleaning liquid to assure a clean visibility and favor the rolling down of the raindrops.